Flanging is an audio effect produced by mixing two identical signals together, one signal delayed by a small and gradually changing period. Here's an example of setting up a flanging audio effect in Unity. I have two game objects in my scene. A game object that will play an audio clip through a clean audio group with no effects. This will be our control group. Then I have a game object that will play an audio clip through a group we're about to create with our flange effect. Both game objects have a simple script that plays an audio clip through an audio source when a specified key is entered. To set up our effect, we're going to need to assign an audio group to the audio source. To do that, we need to click the master group followed by the plus icon to make a new group in the audio mixer. To add our effect, select the new group and click the Add Effect button in the inspector. The sound effect I'm about to play is from my new sound effects package published through the Unity Asset Store called the Storyteller's Sound Effects Package. It has hundreds of sound effects great for any project. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description below. By modifying the settings for the flange effect, we enable a large range of variation. The dry mix here determines the amplitude of the unfiltered sound, making the final output very similar to the control group. The wet mix determines the amplitude of the filtered sound, making the final output way heavier on the secondary track. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You can check out my Patreon account by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.